Hey everyone, I'm Humayra an international student and a passionate self-taught developer. Welcome to my brand new channel, Learn with Humayra, where we dive into the world of full-stack web development and share real-life experiences of studying and growing abroad. If you're dreaming of becoming a web developer in 2025, you're in the right place. So let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to build your own website or application but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're curious about what it takes to become a web developer, but feel overwhelmed by all the information out there. The good news is, you don't need to be a tech genius or have a fancy degree to become a successful web developer. With the right roadmap and consistent effort, anyone can learn how to code and build amazing things on the internet. That's why I created this channel to be your personal guide in this exciting journey. I'll be sharing everything I know about full-stack web development and my personal experience as a self-taught developer studying abroad. So let's start with the basics. What is full-stack web development? A full-stack developer is someone who works on both the front-end and back-end. You can begin with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and get a job as a front-end developer, and then later you can learn back-end development and other skills. I personally started with front-end development without knowing any back-end at all. It might take some time, but don't rush it. Take your time to learn each concept thoroughly and practice as much as you can. Don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. It's important to be patient and persistent in your learning journey. Don't get discouraged if you encounter challenges or setbacks. Instead, embrace them as opportunities to grow and learn from your mistakes. The road to becoming a full-stack developer can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Seeing your hard work pay off and knowing that you have the skills to bring your ideas to life is an amazing feeling. So keep going, and don't give up on your dreams. Who knows where your journey might take you next? Now let's talk about how long it will take to become a full-stack web developer. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but I'll give you a rough estimate based on my experience and research. On average, it takes about 6 months to 1 year to become a full-stack developer. This timeline assumes that you can dedicate around 1 to 3 hours per day to learning and practicing coding. Of course, the actual time it takes to learn can vary depending on factors such as your prior experience, learning style, and the amount of time you can dedicate to learning. For example, if you're a complete beginner, it may take you longer to grasp some concepts. However, with dedication and persistence, anyone can become a successful web developer. Becoming a full-stack web developer is a challenging but rewarding journey that requires dedication, hard work, and patience. But the good news is that you don't need to go to college or spend years and a fortune to learn how to code. In fact, with the rise of online learning and remote work, you can learn the skills you need to become a web developer from anywhere in the world and at your own pace. I know because I've done it myself. I learned web development entirely on my own, through online courses and resources while living abroad. And here's the best part. Now, you can do it too, because the internet is filled with tons of free resources to help you get started. My channel will be your go-to place for weekly videos on full-stack web development and studying abroad. So my advice to those of you who want to follow in my footsteps is to be prepared for a wild ride. Studying abroad is an incredible experience that will challenge you to grow in ways you never imagined. Embrace the adventure, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. From dealing with homesickness and culture shock, to navigating new academic systems and making new friends, you'll face many challenges, but trust me, the rewards will be worth it. Now, here are some helpful tips to make your study abroad experience more successful. First and foremost, start planning early. Apply for scholarships and financial aid well in advance. Second, choose a program that aligns with your academic goals and interests. Third, be open-minded and embrace the local culture. And fourth, stay connected with your support system back home. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and leave comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Peace.